California's got me looking like a beach bum.
At the motherland.
Okay, we're in IKEA now.
I used to go into those play thingies because my parents didn't want to deal with me. Oh wait, we need to get a bag. Okay guys, I found one that I really like, but I don't know if there's room in the car for this. So I like this one because I can actually like sit up and it's got like a bohemian feel. I like this mirror thing, so let's grab like the third one down. Break time. This is behind the scenes of Devin. Fun. Kind of gross touching these cards, not gonna lie. So we have my mirror, my dresser. I'm not gonna get these hangers because I don't want a hanging rack. It's too much room. Charging them on my card.
Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, oh wait, I need to make this so it's more down. So Ella is here now. Ella's my best friend, but obviously I've been gone for 2 weeks, so it's been a fat minute. It has. So we are going to be opening stuff from IKEA. So what do you want to open? Should we open the small mirror first? Let's work our way up. Yeah. Lightest to heaviest. My last IKEA desk, it came with the stuff. It was kind of weird. Seriously? Yeah.
That's fancy.
Fancy schmancy.
Did you go to the one Round Rock?
Oh,
that's far. I used to live there.
Yeah, Ellie.
That was like 5 minutes away from my house.
I wish.
Did I tell you I broke my phone again? That like just came in the mail 2 days ago.
Which one is it?
It's the same one. Oh, what did you do, Ella? I had lemonade and like, you know, have you been to Circuit of Americas?
I saw Kelly Clarkson there one time.
So you know how they have like cup holders in front of you? Well, I had my lemonade in there and then it was dark and I put my phone in there and I didn't realize my lemonade was in there. And it was in there for like an hour and then I go to pick up my phone and it's dripping. I'm like, and okay, so at first it was working, you know? And then I get in the car to like text my dad, I'm on my way home. It starts glitching and like flashing and I can't do anything. Yeah.
Eleanor.
I know. I was about to get like an Android, but luckily they let us replace it. We still had to pay money, but like, oh my God.
Leave it up to the smartest people on the planet. Oh my gosh. I can't do this, guys. This is way too hard.
Okay, let's move on to the mirror. That's easy.
Let's go back.
Let's go backwards.
Okay.
We're going to the other mirror. It's so hot in Texas, you guys. Nails, screws, wires. Update, we're doing great. We're making a lot of progress, but my camera died, so. What's up guys? Today we have Alana and Teeter Tots, and we are going to Target. Yeah, this is part of like my room series that I'm doing for my YouTube channel. And I'm so excited because we made this little list earlier, and Alana and I looked at like some Pinterest pictures. Oh my gosh, it's so sunny, I can't see anything. So we have some ideas, and Alana's like great at picking out stuff, so I need another opinion. There's like the... I swear if that dropped. Oh my gosh, can you imagine if it dropped? Holy cow, I just lost control of that. Oh my gosh, if you saw that, I totally just let it like fall. Oh, like there's bulbs. Should I do Home Goods or Target? This is the Magnolia section. Do you think it's worth it? It is. Excuse me, do you guys have shelves anywhere?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Tea, pecan pie, homemade one. Thank you so much.
Gotta think of your small space, and you can't get like too much stuff because it was like cluttery and heavy and rough.
What
And
did
then
you say? Sure.
bed, the mirror thing, flowers. I don't understand how they got it so perfectly on the spoon. What is happening? I should not zoom in. Oh, like how they got like the noodles so perfectly. I'm sorry, I just saw that and I was just kind of like, it's fake. Guys, we left the house like, what was it, like 1?
It's 4 o'clock.
It's freaking 4 o'clock.
I feel like I've been here for 30 minutes.
And we suddenly go home. It's
Okay, so we just ate at this place called Mama Foods, and now we are going to Michael's to look at some flowers.
fake flowers.
Fake flowers to be exact.
Caroline won't
I can't survive. I can't keep anything alive. So we're gonna use these garlands instead, and I think it'll.
We didn't even show our idea.
I thought I did.
We'll do that later.
Oh, and we could like do the 2 colors, because look how cute that would be. Here, I'll do the price checker. $18.99. Oh, I'm pretty sure the outcome of this room is gonna be like $1,000.
It's gonna be so good though.
But I have faith in it. Now for home goods. Okay guys, so I picked out these Tommy Hilfiger sheet set. Next is bathroom decor. I want like a soap tray. Yeah, you can set that one. Oh wait, I like this.
Ooh.
Yeah, well, we can just get this one. Oh, I can put my makeup brushes. Mommy, I think I'm gonna make this into a trash can. I'm gonna put like a little trash bag in it because I like it. We're trying to find a good lamp. All the options here are not it. Maybe we go to TJ Maxx and they have one. Oh, why is this a wood chair?
You weren't watching good.
Okay, what else is new? We got a lamp, we got a bunch of stuff, and some candles too. They smell really good.
Did